We're in Huntington Beach, getting ready for this fun day Saturday. I was about to say fun day Sunday, but that's not the cause. Your girl definitely lucked up on a spot because they deep up in here. But y'all know me, I have no shame in making a few blocks, and sure enough, I only had to do 2, and I found a spot right next to the beach. So they was like, oh, we waiting for people. That's okay, your girl will wait. Okay, I will wait for a spot.
What you do? Made a move, could've made a move. If I knew I'd be with you, it's too late to pursue. Baby, you my everything. I bite my tongue, it's so bad. You all I ever wanted. Kinda mad that I didn't take a step at it. Thought you were too good for me, my dear. Never gave me time of day, my dear. It's okay, things happen for reasons that I think are sure. Yeah, I wish I knew. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted.
All right, y'all, today I got my little besties with me. Say hi to the vlog. Hello. And they thought they were spending the night at baby cousin house and wasn't going to be active this morning. She had another plan for them. So, hey y'all, hey. I don't know if y'all checked out the background, but today I brought them to the Culver City stairs. Now, forewarning, before y'all say, girl, that's child abuse. I'm not making them go up the stairs, but we about to get the scenic route in. Still going high. Tired from what? Oh my goodness. See, I be putting kids on, giving them new experiences, challenging themselves. That's what we have to do with this new generation, y'all. We got to challenge the youth, expose them to a new environment. Hi guys. How you guys feeling? No, we can turn.
Just stepped off the court. The no-neck rep just passed the ball. And I hit up the ball into the front court. Swim with it, picked up by Auntie. Feed that ball over. Sweet tea with it. Cross court that pass over the brick. With the head and shoulder fake. On the baseline and with the dance with the right hand hook. Make that.
So they said it's a storm. Hurricane Hillary is hitting Cali tomorrow. Today is Saturday. And so this morning my body actually got up like at 6 o'clock and I said, girl, why? So we laid there and then I thought about it and I said, girl, go get you some water and some snacks, and most importantly, go get your workout on before you can't go tomorrow. So that's what we about to go do. y'all, so I just went to the Dollar Tree because they be selling like gallons of water. Oh, that shit gone. It's like 12:30. I called my dad and he was all like, yeah, the wind is blowing. Because he lived like an hour, like 2 hours away. He was like, the clouds are dark, the wind is blowing. And look at me, the wind is just now blowing out here. But he said, okay, it's gonna rain anytime. So he said, you might as well come huckle down at the house. Say less, because I'm going to a party. Don't judge me, okay? She ain't sent no cancellation. I'm going. And the party's not too far from his house. So depending on how I feel after the party, I can either go home or go to his house. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. But my right brain is saying, girl, go to your daddy. He already got, he was like, yeah, we got a barbecue pit. I said, your barbecue pit, I thought it was gas. He was like, no. So we not going hungry. Say less. So yeah, I was about to go run a few more errands, but it's already 12 o'clock and I'm just gonna assume that anything I was gonna get is already gone. So take your ass on and make your way down this freeway, which I'm going towards the storm. So I don't know how smart that is, but I also live by the ocean, so I don't know how smart it is to stay here either. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day. So y'all, they said I cut in front of that whole line. I said, oops, I'm sorry. It was 2 lines, and the lady who was in front of me clearly said this was the checkout line. And then the lady who was on the side of me was going to the cashier. So my bad. But yeah, I said, girl, get you some snacks just in case, you know, shit hits the fan. But yeah, that man, it's always the Caucasian. You know, say you cut in front of that whole line back there. I said, it was my bad, but I definitely stood in line and was following the people that was in front of me. So I don't know how I did that, but that's neither here or there. Latest update. A little breeze, a little overcast. Still feeling good, but yeah. So my dad said the wind is blowing already, the clouds are dark, and it looks like the rain should kick in anytime where he is. Okay, so I went to the store, got my workout on, got some little necessary stencils just in case I decide what I'm going to do, which is go to my parents or stay home and write it out solo. I'm like, I'm definitely gonna need some snacks, and if you know, you know. In case I get depressed or I need something sweet. And yeah, so like I said, I do have a party to go to tonight, so I'm about to go get ready for that. And y'all wanna see what I end up wearing? Wanna get ready with me?
Keeps we prepare for the field. We ready for game time. We don't do the drill. We be trying to kill.
It's been a while, but your girl is back, and she is about to beat this face real quick because it is a few hours before Hurricane Hillary hit, and not only that, it's my girl's 40th birthday. So I hit her when I was left my house on the freeway. I said, girl, is you still having this party before I get too far away from home? She hit me back. She said, hell yeah. So I said, say less, honey. Let's get ready so we can go. Okay, y'all. So here is the final look. Your girl did switch the hair, did blonde, because you know they say blondes have more fun. Did a slick ponytail. And yeah. Here's the fit. So now it's time to party. Bring in Hurricane Hillary.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry. Girl, let me cut the sheet, you say, fuck going up.
for seriously being here. I know the circumstances are, crazy and everything, but honestly, my real friends are really, really here. And you know what? Honestly, I have a lot of real friends.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you don't know. Got the girl in the cut sheet.
And this what? This your what? Huh? Brain suit. We about to see.